Right, welcome guys. Today we're going to look at a very simple regression analysis, which is the OLS regression analysis. OLS regression analysis. This is at the basic level, and I know in subsequent videos or tutorial we're going to look at other regression approach or other regression techniques like performing regression using panel regression, the phased effect, a random effect. We're going to look at the dynamic GMM approach. We look at simultaneous regression modeling. We also look at multi-level analysis, okay, using repeated measures, multi-level analysis, and other forms of regression modeling. But today we're going to look at a very simple one, which is the OLS regression. This is at the basic level. And today this is the data that we're going to use, okay, very simple extracted data. So we have 5 variables here. Now the first one is credit risk, okay, the credit risk variable. The second one is financial constraint variable. The third one is return on asset, firm size, and financial leverage. Okay, so what we want to do here is that we want to assess the impact of financial constraint on credit risk. How does financial constraint impact credit risk? And we have 3 other variables here which we are going to use as our control. So now we're going to perform this using R. We're going to perform this using R. So as always, when you want to check where your data is, because R needs to locate a place where R can import your data. So the first thing is to change your working directory. Okay, the first thing is to change your working directory. I've already done this. So let's import our data. Okay, let's import our data. So to import our data, remember the name of our data set is data set, okay, or the name of our data is data set. So remember, so we need to import this in R. So we're going to call our data in R data. Okay, so read.csv. Remember the name of our data set is data set and it's in CSV. So header is equal to true. The T stands for true. So you just hit enter, attach data. Okay, now our data is ready. As you can see, these are the variables. Okay, these are the variables. Now you can check the summary of your data. Okay, you can check the summary of your data by using summary. So you see the data here. You can also check using head of data just to check the imported data. You can also use tail just to check the last few variables of your data. Okay, right now, so our data is imported. What do we have to do now in R to perform a simple OLS regression? We use the function lm. Is that okay? So what we need to do is model is equal to lm. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Just this is what we're going to use. Okay, so let's copy this. Now we're no longer using that, we're using that. Okay, now look at what we have here. So lm is linear model. Okay, so this is lm. Okay, so linear model. So the dependent variable credit risk over here regressed on financial constraint plus our control variable. So our regression is done. Very simple as that. Now we can check the output of our model using summary.model. So this is the output of our regression model. Okay, these are the output of our regression model. As we can see, the adjusted R square is 76.11%, meaning the total variation captured by this model is 76%. Is that okay? Now we can see that the financial constraint variable is what? Is positively associated with credit risk. In other words, financial constraint has a positive relationship with credit risk. And we can also see that the other 3 control variables, they are all significant. Okay, but return on asset is negatively associated with credit risk. So guys, this is how we perform simple linear regression in R. Okay, now if you need how to interpret these results or interpret regression output, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video on that. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe and share. See you at our next tutorial.